Good morning. Here we are, ready for our Qigong, early in the morning under the trees with the rising sun and the beautiful waves. Number 6 in our Shir routine is rowing the boat across the lake. This is a beautiful exercise where we're moving quite strongly into the lower part of the body, activating the lymphatic vessels or the lymphatic nodes of the groin. So, breathing in and breathing out. Stretching out and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Just feel as though you're bringing all the water, all the energy from the water, from the top of the waves, just bringing it in, absorbing it into the body to nourish, nurture, heal and repair. If you like that very simple exercise, click the like button. And to get the full routine, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a beautiful day.